studying is, first one is class and you understand the basics. Second ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you basically understand the subject with multiple revisions. You have to analyze that subject also. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ third stage of the reading ಅಲ್ಲಿ you will have your pakka notes. This is your final notes, which I'm not telling that the class notes ho gaya ya current affairs note. I'm not telling about those. These are the notes which you made from, you know, you can tell your kya bolte basics class, then followed by your reference books. You made your toppers notes. You took it from your basically kya bolte hain, guides bolte hain na tum log. You take it from your guides, obviously then current affairs, then you had your value addition. Idella saves putti your pakka notes will be done. Then this pakka note has to be revised. Then you will start your answer writing. Till then you don't do answer writing for any subject. First day में आ गए सर, हम पहले दिन से कर रहे 5 आंसर, I'm writing 5 आंसर per daily sir, I'm a dedicated student. Then you do answer writing where you get the basics of writing. Then again you revise and write a test series. ಈ test series ಬರ್ದಾಗ when you get the feedback, then you obviously whether synopsis ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬರೀತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, whatever feedback you have got, you have to do the value addition again. Then you have to update your notes. And this thing is going to continue again and again and again and again till it becomes a closer to perfect notes. There is nothing like perfect notes, closer to perfect notes. And this thing you will keep on doing till you finally clear the exam. It's not like you chumma wrote, you kept it off like that. But keep on updating it till you clear the exam. So this is for any exam, for any subject. Are you understanding? So optional ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ, GS mains ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This will not change. Just by doing this, obviously, it's just the first stage. I hope you understand. Basic common sense. That is not enough. This is something which will take the highest amount of time. So, for example, if I have to, you know, dedicate the time differently. क्यों मैं वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ इतनी एनर्जी? पागल हूँ क्या मैं? मुझे लग रहा है मैं चुम्मा भैया मैं वेस्टिंग एनर्जी. I'm feeling now. I'm like, I'm being dumb so much that I'm wasting so much of energy. It's not required. ನಂಗೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾ, ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓದಿದಿರಾ? Ethics ಓದಿದಿನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, my prime minister, my boss has told me, so I'm doing little bit of my moral duty. Ethics पढ़ने से हो जाता ना तो कोई करप्ट होता ही नहीं. So class and your basic understanding, then comes your I'll not speak here, I'm tired now. So this will consume only 30% of your time. This is where is what maximum time will go. Notes. 50% of your time will go for this. And obviously test series and update is something which will take another 20%. If at all I have to put it in numbers, 4 months, so 4 ka yahan pe laga lo tum, easily around 8 to 9 months for this, and the remaining 20% 2 to 3 months mein ho jaye. This, see, ishtu mugdaad mele ee part idiyalla, prati attempt, if at all you're not clear prelims, obviously same thing you have to do. Till you clear the exam, prati attempt the last stage has to be done. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you lose touch from the subject. You lose, you know, whatever you had with respect to UPSC, right? You want to lose it. You have to do it whether result is coming or not. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? This is the last stage. So this is something which is going to consume the highest amount of time. And ಈ notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ basically static part is there. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ you have your contemporary affairs, current affairs, you have your value addition. So static part, to make the timing wise, if I have to tell you percentage wise, this will consume anywhere around 40%. Current and contemporary affairs will consume another around 30%, and value addition around 30%. In terms of marks, this is with respect to time. In terms of marks and priority, the highest marks which you're going to get is from this. 70% from this, 15% from this, 15% from this. You cannot reach here without doing this. Without doing this, you cannot. It's simply like, you know, making a biryani. Biryani mein you need rice, you need chicken, you need masalas, which is your this part. Chicken and rice is this part. Your basic ingredients and a special recipe is this part. Last mein what you do, garnishing, what extra masala you get, what extra flavor you get is this. And ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾರನ್ನೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಇವೆರಡು ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರೋರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 2,500 ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾರಾಗೋದು? ಎನಿ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೇ ತಾನೆ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಶಮಂತ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯಾರ್. Please get Mosambi yaar. Please don't mind Shamant. I'm sorry. I'm becoming little over demanding, but my energy is dipping today because I'm speaking more. Right? So please, Shamant, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋತ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಿಲ್ಲ.